Alright, so to solve this system here, we're going to try to do elimination. So I'm going to try and get opposite coefficients to eliminate y or x. So let's say I try to eliminate x by getting a 4x by multiplying everything by 2. Well, I also get a negative 6y and a 6. So I'm going to add these equations here, these two, because they have opposite coefficients. So like negative 4x plus 4x, that just cancels out. Negative 6y minus 6y just cancels out. And then 6 plus 6 is 12. So you get something that's not true, which is called the contradiction, right? Like that's a contradiction that 0 is equal to 12. Alright, so that tells us that this system of equations here has no solution, which means graphically, if you were going to graph these, they would never intersect, which means that they're parallel. And you could check that by putting them both into point slope form and seeing that they have different y-intercepts but the same slope, which will tell you they never intersect. You could also just use a graphing calculator and see what happens. So the first equation looks like that. The second one looks like this. So you could see that, like on a graph, a solution to a system should be where the graphs intersect, but there's no intersection of these two graphs because they're parallel, they have the same slope. So ultimately this has no solution.